The Tango Magenta. We start this dance in normal ballroom hold. And we're going to start with 2 forward walks down line of dance, a 1/8 swivel to the wall with a forward side close. Left foot for the man, right foot for the lady, and forward, 1/8 swivel, forward side close. Now we're going to do exactly the same movement, starting on the opposite foot, but finishing in promenade position, and forward, 1/8 swivel, forward, side, and back into promenade position. Now we're going to take left foot for man, he's going to take 2 walks along line of dance and do a swivel almost facing against line of dance as the lady does a swivel cross. We'll just show you how this works. And 2 steps to the man, swiveling, and a swivel cross for the lady into a contra check. Then it's back for the man, rock forward, rock back, and step back into promenade position. Now we're going to do exactly the same movement against line of dance. We'll just show you that again, against line of dance, and cross, swivel into a swivel cross, check, rock, and back into promenade position. We put those first 8 bars together now from the beginning. And starting with 2 forward walks with a 1/8 swivel, and slow, slow swivel, forward side close, opposite foot, opening into promenade position, step into a swivel cross for the lady, against line of dance into a contra check, step back, rock forward, rock back, and back into promenade position. And the same against line of dance, into a contra check, step back, rock forward, rock back, back into promenade position. Right, we're going to continue now with a promenade link, which is forward, forward, and close without weight. We'll just show you that, and it's forward, forward, and close without weight. And now we're going to go into a promenade turn, finishing square with partner, and forward, promenade turn. Now we're just going to finish the dance with forward, side, brush, and tap, and forward, side, brush, and tap. Right, we'll put those whole 16 bars together now. 2 forward walks, 1/8 swivel, forward side close, and 1/8 turn, forward side close, opposite feet, finishing in promenade position, step forward, lady does a swivel cross into a contra check, step back, rock, and back into promenade, same against line of dance, and swivel cross into a contra check, step back, rock, finish you back in promenade, promenade link, into a promenade turn, finishing with forward side brush tap.